Today I demonstrate how to operate controls on a standard AR-15 pattern rifle or carbine. Thanks for watching. These firearms are designed for right-handed shooters. I'm going to begin with the selector switch. The selector switch, to go from safe to fire, is designed to be operated with your shooting thumb. I'm going to flick down to go to fire, and then I'm going to use my thumb to pull back to the safe position. That's the selector switch. Loading a magazine. Thumb forward, load the magazine. The bolt release is here. And you can see we have an open bolt. After the magazine's been installed, your thumb is right on top of the bolt release. Just simply press down, it'll close the bolt, chamber around. If you want to do a chamber check, charging handle has a lock. Defeat the lock, pull back until you see cartridge and let go. I like to push the charging handle in so it doesn't flop about, and that leads me to the forward assist. You can see, especially with some use, the bolt may not be fully closed. It may not be in battery. If the bolt is not in battery, where it's fully closed, the firearm is not going to fire. The forward assist pushes the bolt carrier group into its closed position. Okay? And that's the snap that you hear, and you can see it's now closed. Forward assist. Magazine release, intended to be operated with your trigger finger. Simply push down on the mag release button and the magazine is released. This is an empty magazine. These firearms are designed to lock open on an empty magazine. So if I take my charging handle and pull all the way back, I just ejected the dummy round that was in here, and when I let go, the bolt stays open. You see my charging handle's loose. Just simply push in until it locks. I'm going to release the bolt. Bolt's closed. And if I want to lock it open, and I don't have an empty magazine handy, the bolt release also acts as the bolt lock by pushing down here on the very bottom. So I'm going to hold this down while I pull the charging handle all the way back. I can feel it catch, let go. Let's try that one more time. There we go. And the bolt is now locked open. That's all I got for today. Remember, be safe, stay dangerous, and keep your force justified.